Hey guys, this is Steven from LegitTechTutorials, and welcome back to my product design series. We are back looking at the code flow. We're back at the code flow project, and we are sorry about that. I missed last Friday. A little busy, so we're back at it. Working on code flow again. So again, as you remember, we're trying to get this to work on the. Sorry about that. Give me a second. Trying to get this to work here. So when you hit the button, the add action goes down and it enters segment name, almost exactly how we did it here, where if you remember, you click on here and then when you hit add segment, it pushes the segment over. Alright, so we're working on that. And also, of course, the reason why I didn't do a video last week is I had a second of doubt about Unity instead of using something like JavaFX, but we're going to use Unity, continue to use Unity and see how it goes, because I don't think it's going to be much. I don't think JavaFX is going to be much easier as far as the movement of these pieces around. So what I'm saying by that is that the most difficult part of this is to move these pieces around and also anchor them correctly. But as you see right here, it looks pretty good. I mean, that's fine. We just need to get it to anchor itself over there in the far left corner. Alright, so now we're doing text, getting the segment name to indent itself down, segment bar, action name. So enter segment name. Is that what's in here? No text. So we need an action name. So basically what it does is when you increment this down, it adds that piece in there. So let's go ahead and look through our scripts here, and then so what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to do a local piece here where when you hit add action, it sends itself it sends its current location to the controller, to whatever script it is, looks at its location, increments down that location at the same X and Z value, and just increments the Y down, and then puts in the other piece in there, and then instantiates that piece in there. So it doesn't matter where the action is, it does it. So that guy, because I don't think this needs to be how it is, because actually that would technically work. So add action button and then call to the view controller or something to instantiate the segment name. And then the segment name is going to have its, the action name. The action name is going to have its own script, where when you click on a certain button next to the regular button itself, it will allow you to edit the, it'll have you edit the text. It'll turn it from a button. So first you start off with a line where you change the name of the action. You add in the action name, and then when you click on a little configure button, what it would do is allow you to change the name. So you start out with a place where you enter in the name. When you hit enter, it turns it from a text field into a button. And then when you hit the little cog, it turns from the button into a text field. So it needs to be able to swap. So we're going to have a local script for that piece to instantiate. So when you start out, it instantiates a field, and then when you finish the field, it instantiates the button in the same spot. And then when you hit the cog, it instantiates the field and puts it in the same place as the button, and then deletes the button. So we need to have that all in not the add action button. I mean, it could be the add action button. So basically say whenever it's clicked, look at your local position and then move it down. I think that is the easiest way of going about this. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll double click this. Rather than having it all in the view control. Oops. A game of League of Legends open and didn't want it to be making any sounds that I can't hear in the video, so I gotta get rid of it. Okay, so this is the add new action. So we don't want it to do that. We don't want it to do add the action button. So what this is basically going to do is on start, so yeah, I mean it is going to have this, add new action. No, but we're never adding new action. It's always there. Okay, so here on start it doesn't do anything, and then on update when it's pressed, go into itself and then go into the some void. I'm gonna say move add action button. And so what it'll do is just basically move the add action button. Move add action button, and then it's basically going to say this dot, I'm basically going to copy this piece here, basically. What is that? Why is that there? Down? Is that on my screen? Oh, it's a piece of dust on my screen in real life on my big TV. So I was like, what the hell is that thing? It's like a little piece of dust right there. I was like, how did the compiler not catch that? Because I thought it was a single quotation. All right. Okay, add segment button. So I'm gonna say this dot local position this. So let me do that. Oh, I need to have it be. So this would be attached to something. Should, yeah. Once you attach it, it should work. Plus the gap. So this, in this case, we want the X to be in the same position, but we want the Y to move, plus something, plus the size of the button, size of the add action button. Segment bar, keyboard content, add action button. Size is 30. So 30 plus some gap, and then let's say like 5 or something. Okay, so maybe I could do this. So I'm going to say, let me do that. also later on we might just build some methods where it does this stuff all for us. Where we just pass it what we want to move. Let me see if I can attach it to something. This is actually named wrong. It's not supposed to be add action button. Runtime only. Object. Well, I guess that's technically the add action button. Yeah, it's not gonna come up because it didn't let it go through. Oh. That's what we need right there. I knew we already did this before. I'll just copy this entire thing. And then this is basically this. Okay, then again, what we're doing is this is plus, what was it, 60? 30. So this stays the same. Y plus 30 plus gap. Z stays the same, everything stays the same except for that. Now, should let us build that. Go back, wait for it to compile, there we go. Now go in here and make sure we have the function set to add action button control. Now, one of these times I'm going to forget to do that. Oh, my fault. Okay. Whoops. So it's a minus, not add. Minus. was successful. Alright, and then basically what we need to do is in there we need to go here and then grab the instantiate, this one, and then that's basically going to instantiate that's basically going to instantiate the thing, and then we're going to have to parent it to the right thing and then do all that stuff. It's going to be instantiate, it's going to have to be it's going to have to be a like a segment name, but new prefab, create prefab. Oh, the action name. Yeah. So that's it. That's what we need. That one is, I believe you set it up as a transform. Yeah. And then we're going to have to and then inside the action name is going to have to be all this stuff. So we're going to have to, whoopsies, go into asset scripts, and this is going to be the, this is going to be called action or something. And then this is basically going to have to be on start. Uh-oh. It's like my thing's starting to blow up. Oh, there it goes. Then it's going to be this dot transform whatever. So whenever it starts, it's got to transform segment view content. But this is going to have to be the segment bar. So basically what it's going to have to do is figure out where it was instantiated from. So basically that's going to have to talk to the view control and say this is basically going to say, this is going to be game object, which one to pair it to, pretty much. This is add new action, and then this is going to be game objects. It's called segments, right? Segment bar. So seg bar. And then basically this will return. So I'll say current and this is also going to have to be a static, and it's also going to have to return a game object. So it returns the current thing that it just set. So basically the add button control is going to have to send what its parent is, so that that action could then set the parent. So every time you hit that, it'll send its current segment bar to that, so that the new action button can read which one it came from. So that would be game object. Add action parent seg bar. Whoops. So it's going to say when you set it. So these are getters, setters. I'm going to have it all in one. Actually, I could have it in two pieces. Set parent seg bar. So what's going on? Oh, sorry. There's going to be it's going to be the one over there. Add action seg bar is equals seg bar, period, and then return add action seg bar. All right, so that's fine. So basically, what you're going to do on start is this is going to be .set parent is equal to the view control dot add new action. Wait. Okay, so it's supposed to be a transform. Let's just have a game object, and then we'll do, I believe, where's the segment bar thing? This dot parent set view segments view content. Segment view content. Where am I setting that? Oh, segment view content. Okay, let's just set that to be a transform then. Transform. And then set this to a transform. And also what I wanted to send is its current location. So set parent segbar and it also its location inside. Figure that out in a second. But let's just make sure first that sets itself correctly. Okay. Also, we need to go into the Add Action button, instantiate, and then go to View Control dot set parent segbar. Okay, make sure set parent segbar. And then I need to .get parent of the action control button. Transform.parent. Blah 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 dot, okay. Is dot parent transform dot parent. Okay. Easy enough. Is it easy enough? Holy okay. So that's in. Oh, I forgot to, I always forget to do that. Action name, what the hell is that? Add action button. Grab action button. Action name. Of course, and everything that we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to once this works, I'm gonna have to drag this in to the prefab to re-update the segment bar prefab. But let's see if it works. Okay. And it didn't do it. Oh, did I update it? Wait. Oh yeah, I don't think I even added that. Does it have a script in it? Yeah, it doesn't even have a script in it. Yeah, so I forgot to add the script to it. Where'd it go? Control. Oh. Oh, did I drag this back into the prefab? No. Yeah, I did. Man, I'm off today. Okay. Oops. Forgot to click it. Oop. There it is. Oh, there it is. Okay, so now what I needed to do is set location and then get its location. I'm going to have public static void set 3, vector 3 deck, and then it's going to be okay, and then I get public static vector 3 set at and then return Alright, make sure that's got no errors, which it shouldn't. Okay, then I need to do this dot local position. This dot local. And then this is equal to, also with the add action button control, then it's also going to have to do view control dot set action location this. And then I don't know if that's going to be good. Okay, so that's problem. 6 errors. This dot transform. This dot transform dot local position item. Oops. Okay. Does that have a problem with that? Okay. This dot local position equals view control dot get. Previous segment. This is supposed to be a get add new section or something, but whatever. Did that go in? Did that go through okay? It went through okay. Dot get add action location. Boom 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 boom. Okay, so now I gotta do the whole thing of putting that thing in there, make sure this guy updates, and drag this thing back into the add action thing. Then it should, I forgot to set the scale, sorry. Oh, it's supposed to send before it moves. Am I sending it after it moves or before it moves? Send before it moves. Oopsies. Alright. That's one piece. The other piece is I have to set the scale. Set local scale. It's weird that I didn't have to do that. Anyways. Okay. Update. There we go. gap's a little big. Gap is like maybe like 1 or something. Okay. There we go. It's good. Alright, now it should. Yep. Bam, we're in business, boys. Oh man, 40-minute video just to do that simple thing. Anyways, that is getting that that thing to work. So now if it's this and if you hit enter, it should flip it to a button. So now it's a button. And also, I don't know if it works here. Yeah, it doesn't work there because I didn't add the script to that. Oh, so that means I have to drop this prefab into that prefab, and then it should work. So now it should work. Oh! Not good. I think I just broke it. I updated the prefab. Well, now I gotta figure out what went wrong there. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video. This has been Steven from LegitTechTutorials. I thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe for more videos like it in this series and our series as well. See you guys next video. Thanks for watching.